Namaste, welcome to Shiv Motivation channel. Today I am here with you with the new topic which is very much necessary for this time is the noise of modern life. So, do you think that noise is good or bad? So, please write your suggestions in the comment section. Is noise good or bad? Once you know that noise is bad, what you will do the next day? You will try to avoid it. So what is this noise of the modern life and how can I avoid it so that I can be happy in my life? So here on the right side you can see skyscrapers, lot of cars, clean city. Yes, the noise of modern life. Though we are having lot of comforts, luxury in the present life, but still each one is trying to find peace in silence. Lot of noise due to vehicles, social media and so on. Our world is a constant barrage of stimulation, from notification to traffic to social media. Lot of noise, lot of noise. This constant noise, this constant noise can lead to overwhelm, anxiety, burnout. Are you understanding the seriousness of it? Continuous notifications, continuous popping of the notifications and social media and busy routine can lead to even depression, anxiety, continuous medication which is so laborsome and tiring and fed up like. So once we know what is noise, the most present noise is in the pocket, the phone which is in the pocket, which is stealing most of the time and uh, providing most of the noise by continuous notifications, trying to see all the new reels, new videos. So this is all noise, mental noise created, So we are so accustomed to noise now. The problem is previously we were at least knowing this is noise, but now we are accustomed to this noise that we often forget what it means to truly experience silence. The power of silence. Silence allows our minds to quiet down and de-stress, reducing cortisol levels. You don't do any big task. You just need to sit in silence. Just by keeping all your works aside for few minutes, not more minutes, only few minutes. Once you start practicing, what happens? Your mind will start calling for peace, peace, and you will start doing it. Provides space for self-reflection and connection with inner thoughts. Once you sit in silence, you will have your self-reflection and you will start forming a connection with the inner thoughts. So sitting in silence is so beneficial. It gives space for self-realization, self-reflection, self-talk, and connection with inner thoughts, which enhances the creativity and the problem solving. Silence, a gift to yourself. Are you ready to gift yourself? Because as we are accustomed to noise throughout, so are we ready to give silence a gift to ourselves? We have seen what we do in silence. We do self-reflection, self-talk, and there is a connection of inner thoughts which enhances the creativity. So silence is a gift because it recharges and rejuvenates us, find peace and clarity, enhance mental and emotional well-being. The spiritual dimension of silence. Silence is sacred in spiritual traditions. Helps us quiet the ego and find the purpose. Silence helps to quiet the ego and find our purpose. Leads to inner wisdom and divine connection. So in this noise of modern life, can we gift silence to ourselves to quiet the ego and find our purpose? To have divine connection, to have better creativity, to recharge and rejuvenate us. Practical ways to embrace silence. So, what are the practical ways? Till this time you're accustomed to the noise of the modern life. Now what to do? You have now understood what is silence, and it's a gift to yourself to recharge, to rejuvenate, to have inner wisdom, to have divine connection, to have better creativity. By continuously accustomed to the noise of the modern life, one can go to even depression, anxiety. There are serious consequences, and we know a very powerful tool which is there in our hand, the silence. Now how to do it? What are the practical ways to do it? Start small. Only 5 to 10 minutes daily, not more than that. Okay, start small. Mindfulness meditation. Why I'm sitting? Why I'm sitting in silence for 5 to 10 minutes also? You should have a goal. You must have a purpose for that 5 to 10 minutes. In that 5 to 10 minutes, you can have a starting goal as, in this 5 to 10 minutes, I won't touch my cell phone. Create a quiet space. Create a quiet space. Keep your phone aside. Switch it off or keep it in silent for this 5 to 10 minutes when you're sitting in silence. That is known as mindfulness silence. What it will do? What these moments can be called? Digital detox moments. So let us summarize this video. We live in a world of constant stimulation, traffic, notifications, and social media. This non-stop noise often leads to stress, anxiety, and burnout. Silence is not just the absence of sound, it is a powerful tool for healing and renewal. Okay, now quiet moments help us lower stress hormones and relax. Reflect deeply on inner thoughts and feelings. Discover new ideas, solutions, and creativity. Strengthen our spiritual connection and purpose. By intentionally embracing silence each day, we can recharge our minds and bodies, live with more clarity, balance, and peace. I hope you will inspire others to do the same. So let us all try to come out of this noise of the modern life by giving a small gift towards silence. It's a sacred wisdom. It recharges our mind, rejuvenates our body and mind, improves our creativity. I hope you will daily practice 5 to 10 minutes, a small start. So it said, think less and work more. Means just going on thinking I will do one fine day, I will do one fine day. No, this is my right time to start. I will sit right now for 5 minutes in silence and check what are my inner thoughts running. Uh, so if you have practiced it for 5 to 10 minutes and what is the difference you found, please write in the comment section. Thank you. If you like the video, share it and subscribe it. And don't forget to write your valuable comments. Thank you. Namaste. Silence is the language of soul. It speaks when words fail. Thank you.